Welcome to Absolute Legends. I am Thornfrisk, I'm Pete, I'm back. Today, we're going to deep dive into some fragrances that are very fresh, but no one in their right mind talks about. They are like my hidden gems of the fresh fragrance world. There are 7 here, there is a one honorable mention, so we've got some real fun ones to delve into today. So these are pretty much undiscovered hidden gems that people should know about. Some of them I think are about, some of them maybe a little bit more difficult to find, but I'll let you know as we'll go through it. But let's all crack on with the honorable mention, which is an absolute belter. Right, the honorable mention, this one came out in 2013, and this is from a house most fragrance reviewers don't even talk about. This is from the world of L'Occitane. This is Japanese, this is Bresil. This one is a party in a blooming bottle. It has got pina colada, exotic fruits, mango, citruses, some vanillic notes, musk, jasmine, and lily of the valley. Now this is, I think it was a unisex offering. This one, like I don't know if it's still available at the moment, so this is why I'm putting it on the honorable mentions list. But it's like an absolute party in a bottle. It smells phenomenal. It's one of the best fresh fragrances I've ever smelled. Yes, it has some floral touch to it, but it's also got lots of sweetness, lots of playfulness with it. Really amazing fragrance. Like I say, most people don't even talk about this house at L'Occitane. I do. I've got quite a few from this house, and some of them are really good, but this one is such an amazing hidden gem. So if you find a bottle of this, pick it up. It is so fun to play with this one, and especially on a hot day and you want to have a party, try this one, L'Occitane Bresil. Right, we keep off the list from 2011, and this one is an absolute stunner. This is a woody aquatic from the world of Joop. This is Splash. Now this one has got some spicy nuance with cardamom, also got some sea notes in here, sandalwood, cedar, and it smells amazing. It's one of those ones that has a flanker to it. I think it's called Summer Edition, if I remember correctly. That one is an absolute pain in the backside to find, but I still think you can find this one, give or take where you go on discounters. Now, I would say don't pay more than 60, 70 quid, give or take where you go from. I spent maybe 20, 25 quid for this one. So I got it about 4 or 5 years ago. I haven't worn much of it, but what I have done is probably spent about 5 mil off it. It is an absolute perfect one for late spring, bursting into summer, and no one knows what you're wearing because it's such an old fragrance. People go, oh, we have to new. Well, actually, if you go into the archives and look at some of the older stuff, which I'm going to show you today, there are some absolute belters, and this is one of them. This is office safe. It smells great for everyone. And if you're wanting to get an aquatic with a touch some woodsy and some spice notes in him, this one is an amazing one to try and find. So if you can find this one, try and find Joop Splash. Right, this next one came out in 2019. This one absolutely punches you in the face like no one's business. This from the world of Azzaro. This is Wild Mint. Now there was 5 in his line. This is, I think it was Central's Blend. I think that's what they called it. This one is amazing. It's so like almost spearmint type freshness. It's got fir, pine, patchouli, and lots of mint, and a little touch of vetiver, which makes it very pleasing. It projects like an absolute beast. It is ridiculous. Hot day, spray the sun. It's like you've been bathing into toothpaste, which is a real, like, you know when you get toothpaste, it's a really like minty fresh. That's what it smells like, but in the best possible way. I know that doesn't sound very great, but this one does smell amazing. This one should be, if you want a good, amazing, fresh, clean fragrance that smells amazing, try and find this one. I don't know if they've been discontinued or not, so I have all 5 luckily, but there was like naughty leather, an amber one, and 2 others, and I can't remember. Naughty hot pepper, something like that. They're all fantastic. If you find them, try and pick them up before they get too late. I would say probably try not to pay them too much more than about 60, 70 quid. Again, even they were out a few years ago. If you've got this, you know what I'm talking about. This is another amazing hidden one. This is Azzaro Wild Mint. Right, we go back a decade, and this one is one house that pretty much hardly anyone on YouTube talks about. This is from the world of Molten Brown, and this one is Orange and Bergamont. This is the Eau de Toilette version. Now, I do believe there is an Eau de Parfum version of this as well. I haven't got that one. But this has got Bergamot, Mandarin Orange, Lemon, straight off the top. It is very much there. But that cardamom in here gives it some sexy nuances. Neroli, Petitgrain, and some ylang ylang. This one is definitely a head turner. It's decent performance as well. This one gives me 7 to 8 hours off my skin. So for a fresh fragrance, I can't really complain about that at all. Smells fantastic again. Coming into late spring, into summer, and you want to have a little freshness with a little sexiness to it with that cardamom in it. This one is phenomenal. A great little number. Most people, like I say, not even heard of Molten Brown, whereas I've got quite a few now from there. And there are shops about, especially in England. There's one in Nottingham which I go into. Lovely staff out there, and they've got this one is one of their hidden gems. I think smells amazing. The other one I would say was also fantastic. This is Coastal Cyprus and Sea Salt. I think there's something like that. I'll put it in the description box for you. But this one, try and find this one. It's a sexy, sexy fragrance. This is Orange and Bergamot by Molten Brown. Okay, so we crack on into 2017 this time. This has a few from this line. I only have, I think, 2, maybe 3 of them. This one called Bentley. This is Momentum Intense. This is like a spicy, fresh fragrance, which smells absolutely amazing. Oh. It's got a lot of lavender and LME, bergamot, geranium, some sandalwood here. Lots of tonka in it, musk. It's clean, it's fresh, it smells amazing. But that touchy woods in here, it's probably more for in the springtime. But I still think if you want to wear this in summer and you're missing some woodiness and a bit more masculineness from that wood, this is a great alternative. Seriously underrated. Not many people will be wearing this one, honestly. And I think it's still running, I think about 30, 40 quid. So it's not over the top expensive. A lot of people will not even know what you're wearing, which is one of the little gifts that I'll give to you. Amazing one again, perfect for the office. If you're an older guy, I'm sure you'll absolutely love it. Now this does, again, goes back to Prada Amber with a touch of woods in it. That's what it reminds me of. It smells absolutely phenomenal. Great one from 2017, and honestly, try this one. It's so underrated. So this one is my next one. Is Bentley Momentum Intense. Right, this next one I think came out in 2023. There is a ton, and I mean an absolute ton of this line. It's from the world of Armagh, and this one is White Edition, the Odyssey White Edition. So this one is ultra fresh. It's got some notes of yuzu, violet leaf, sea notes, grapefruit. It's so clean, fresh. Again, I'm going to say it smells like a Prada fragrance. So, Garlic and Amberwood. This one smells absolutely stunning. Now, I will be honest with you, I do not know what the clone of this is. I'm just being honest with you, I can't remember what the clone is. I would say I will try and find it, and I'll put in the link in the description box what it smells like. But this one is absolutely stunning. It does actually, I'd say, it's not Prada L'Homme. I think more. I'm trying to think. Prada Luna Rossa. That's the original one, and that came out in 2012. It smells more like that than it does anything else. And this one is absolutely stunning. It works for everyone. It's slightly powdery sexiness, tiny bit creamy as well. Smells absolutely amazing, and for about 30-35 quid. That is a real bargain. So this one, if you want to smell like Prada fragrance, but not putting up a load of money, try and find this one. This is from Armagh. This is Odyssey White Edition. Right, second to last one up. And this one came out a few years back in 2022. The opening to this is insane. Now, it doesn't perform brilliantly. I've got to be honest here. It gives you about 4 hours tops, and then it just dies of death. And if you put some Embroxin in here or some ISOE, then it will obviously perform a bit better, maybe get you 5-6 hours, but still, it's not a great performing one. But the initial opening is amazing. This is CK1 Summer Days. This is an amazing fragrance. Its tea is vetiver, white musk, and the kumquat in here is a really unusual note in here. It smells absolutely amazing. It smells absolutely world class. But people don't know about it. Obviously, there's been so many CK1 flankers over the time, and a touch of tea in here, which also makes it very, very relaxing as well. So this one is one of those sort of ones. You could bear it to work if you wanted to, but if you wanted to just have a lazy Sunday bay and you don't want to think about too much and you don't care about reapplying it a few times, then this one is definitely up your street because it just smells amazing. It's perfect for a lazy Sunday afternoon. Maybe you're doing some stuff with the kids, maybe you're just doing bits and bobs around the house and you just don't want to think about wearing too much. This one will sort you out absolutely good and proper. So my next one is CK1 Summer Days. Right, last but certainly not least, this one came out in 2003. Yes, this is over 2 decades old, and this one is an absolute amazing fragrance. Now, this is into niche world. I say this one for the last one because I didn't want everyone to think, oh, I'm just going to give you niche stuff. I'm not going to do that. This is L'Eau d'Ivoire from Frederick Mall. This one is super like floral forward. It's got jasmine, rose, ylang ylang, but it's got notes of honey as well. Also cedar, sandalwood, some ambers, lemon, pink pepper. It's just got so much going on in here. It is one of those ones, it's more of a skin scent than rather than it's projecting like an absolute beast. It smells super unique. It is a unisex offering, and honestly, really criminally underrated. I don't see many people talk about this one from Frederick Mall. Now, obviously, there's lots of new ones, which is like synthetic jungle, and I think that's been changed now. Obviously, Musk Ravageur, Portrait of a Lady, gets all the hype. This one is such a hidden gem. It goes so under the radar. It's absolutely insane. But if you don't mind a floral fragrance from the 2000s, which has got some nice nuances with freshness in it, and try this one out. This, again, it's a little bit more expensive, but well worth finding. This is from Frederick Mall. This is L'Eau d'Ivoire. Right, so I'm going to give you a bonus one now, and this doesn't perform well either, but it smells amazing. It came out in 2018, and this is from the world of Banana Republic. This is Cypress Cedar. This one, oh yeah, this one has got notes of mint. Oh, it's so nice. Rhubarb, which is really unusual. Mint, black pepper, pink pepper, moss, patchouli, some musks, vetiver as well. Very, very classy fragrance, and also a little touch of bitter orange in there. This one doesn't perform monstrously. It gets about 5, maybe 6 hours, depending on how warm it is. But in terms of the smell, the way it's put together, it smells absolutely incredible. One of my little hidden gems that if you really want to pull out something super unique, something different, this one is where I'd say go all in on it. I don't think it costs that much money either. I think I paid 40 quid max, maybe even a little bit less than that. I would hopefully say about 30 to 40 quid, give or take where you go. This one, just such a great fragrance. And again, perfect for the office. It's not going to offend anyone, and it's super unique. Smells fantastic. So my last one, but a bonus one. This is Banana Republic, a Cypress Cedar. Right, so for all of those fresh fragrances, now it's time to tell you what I'm wearing instead of the day. Right, like all these ones, I've delved into the archive for 25 years ago. Yeah, this one is from L'Artisan Parfumeur. This is called Tea for Two. This is smelled amazing. I love this one a lot, actually. Especially if it's a cool jewelry day. We should start out with but now like cleared up. So it's also got tea, star anise, some bergamot, spices, ginger, tobacco, honey, and vanilla. This one is probably a good one for when it's a slightly dreary, miserable day, which it started out like that, and now it's got sunny. So that's just ruined my day. But that's fine, I don't care. I still smell amazing from this one. It's super, super unique. L'Artisan Parfumeur have done some amazing fragrances, and this one, probably one of their best ones. So as always, let me know in the comments what your scent today is, but mine is L'Artisan Tea for Two. Right, so there you have it. 7 amazing fresh fragrances. Put some bonuses as well. Who doesn't love bonuses that you can smell and be completely different to everyone else? As always, what top 10 list, a brains for you or a question, hit me up in the comments. As always, on my TikTok and Instagram for my phrases. And as always, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 2,000. I want to do a massive giveaway. So I want to hit that subscribe button. And as always, you absolute legends. Smell amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.